I recently came across an eye-opening article about how nearly 2/3 of Americans would struggle to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. And this statistic made me think deeply about the financial challenges that people face and how understanding your net worth can help you plan better for the future. The net worth isn't just a number, it's a snapshot of your financial health and a tool for achieving the American dream, whether that's owning a home, raising a family, or just retiring comfortably. In this video, we'll break down the average, the median, and the top 1% net worth figures by age group. More importantly, we'll explore practical steps to build your net worth, no matter where you are in your financial journey. If you've ever wondered how you compare or how to improve, stick around because this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. What is net worth and how do you calculate it? Your net worth isn't just about how much money you earn, but how much you keep and grow. There are people earning $500,000 a year who are dead broke, and others earning $50,000 a year who retire as millionaires. To calculate your net worth, subtract your liabilities or your debts from your assets, which is everything you own of value. For example, imagine you have $300,000 in home equity, a $25,000 car, $50,000 in a retirement account, and $20,000 in your savings. Your total assets add up to $395,000. Now, if you owe $15,000 on the car, $200,000 on the house, and $10,000 in credit card debt, your total liabilities are $225,000. Subtract your liabilities from your assets, and your net worth is $170,000. Now let's break it down by age group. According to the Federal Reserve's most recent survey, the average net worth for individuals aged 18 to 24 is $28,700. However, this number is skewed by the top 1%, whose average net worth is $435,000. The median net worth for this age group is much lower, reflecting the financial realities of student debt and early career challenges. It's common to have a negative net worth at this stage, but don't let that discourage you. The key is building good habits early. Build a solid foundation. For example, if you're in this age group, focus on avoiding high interest debt, like credit cards, but start building your credit. A no-fee credit card is a great tool for establishing credit history. Begin contributing to a Roth IRA or a 401k as soon as possible to take advantage of compound interest. For instance, investing just $100 a month in a broad ETF like VOO or VTI can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses for an emergency fund before diving too deep into investing. Every dollar saved at this stage has the potential to grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. In addition to investing, keep track of your expenses to avoid unnecessary spending. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB, not sponsored. They can help you create a budget or stick to it, ensuring that you're consistently saving, or just use Google Sheets. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you manage to save and grow. For those aged 25 to 29, the median net worth is $7,511. The average is $49,400, and the top 1% are reaching $606,000. This stage is crucial for laying the foundation of financial success. Homeownership is a significant wealth driver at this age group. The median net worth of homeowners is $255,000 compared to just $6,300 for renters. Saving for a down payment can set you on a path for long-term financial stability. Imagine this. If you save $500 a month, starting at age 25, invest in the S&P 500 at an 8% annual interest rate, you'd be at nearly $1.7 million by the age of 65. Waiting just 10 years to start saving would reduce that figure by half. This highlights the importance of starting early and remaining consistent. At this stage, it's also essential to focus on building a strong credit score. A higher credit score can save you thousands of dollars on loans and mortgage interest in the long term. Make sure to pay bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. You might also want to start exploring employer benefits such as stock options or health savings accounts or HSAs, which can boost your financial position over time. By your 30s, net worth typically starts to increase significantly. The average net worth for ages 30 to 34 is $122,700, with a median of $35,111, and the top 1% averages $956,000. Careers are stabilizing, incomes are rising, but this is also when lifestyle inflation can creep in. Just because you're earning more doesn't mean you should spend more. Continue saving at least 20% of your income and focus on paying off high interest debts. If you're not yet a homeowner, make it a priority. Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. In addition to saving and investing, consider automating your finances to simplify the process and reduce the margin of error. Set up automatic contributions to retirement accounts, savings, and investment portfolios. This ensures consistency, and it removes the temptation to spend that money elsewhere on stupid stuff you don't need. If you're in a dual income household, consider living off one income and saving and investing in the other to supercharge your financial growth, if you can make it work, if you're in a low cost of living area. In the 35 to 39 age group, the average net worth jumps to $274,000 with a median of $55,500, and the top 1% breaks away with over $4 million. A good rule of thumb at this stage is that your net worth should equal around 4 times your annual expenses or 2 times your income. Focus on paying down your mortgage and maximizing your retirement contributions. Home equity and smart investment should be the driving focus of your financial growth during these years. This is also a good time to ensure that you're diversifying your investments. Beyond stocks, consider bonds, real estate, or even index funds focused on global markets. To further secure your financial future, start thinking about insurance and estate planning. Ensure you have adequate life insurance to protect your family, as well as a will or trust to manage your assets. These steps can save your loved ones from unnecessary financial stress down the road. You should also review and update your beneficiaries on all of your financial accounts to reflect your current intentions. In your 40s, peak earning years contribute to an average net worth of $761,450 and a median of $164,000. To join the top 1%, your net worth needs to exceed $10.5 million. This is a time to aggressively save for retirement and eliminate any remaining high-interest debt. If you haven't already, aim to have 5 to 7 times your annual income saved by age 50 to stay on track for a secure retirement. It's also crucial at this stage to review your retirement plan and adjust your contributions as needed to ensure you meet your long-term goals. For those in their 50s, the average net worth climbs to $1,165,000 with a median of $171,000, and the top 1% exceeds $17.5 million. Retirement planning becomes critical. During this decade, Social Security will likely cover only a portion of your expenses, so ensure your investments and savings can fill the gap. Paying off your mortgage can drastically reduce monthly expenses and provide peace of mind. If possible, this is also the time to max out your catch-up contributions to your retirement accounts, just to make the most of your remaining earning years. If you're supporting children through college, ensure that educational expenses don't derail your retirement planning and savings. By your 60s, net worth peaks at an average of $1,250,000 with a median of $271,805, and the top 1% boasts a staggering $16.5 million. At this stage, you should have your mortgage fully paid off and your retirement accounts aligned with your income needs. Begin drawing on your retirement funds like your Roth IRAs, your 401ks, while managing your healthcare costs effectively. It's also important to consider estate planning to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and to minimize the tax burdens for your heirs. Finally, ensure your retirement savings accounts are well diversified. Consider a mix of low-risk bonds, dividend-paying stocks, and cash reserves to protect against market volatility. Having a clear withdrawal strategy can help you make the most of your savings without running out of money. You may also want to explore opportunities for passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying investments. This will help supplement your retirement funds. In conclusion, growing your net worth is about consistent savings, smart investing, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below telling me whether or not you were surprised by these net worth brackets or not. And if you're comfortable, share which part of the range you're in for your age group. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.